Yo guys, I'm in Tokyo. Check this out. I am so much excited right now. So आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं शिबुया स्क्रैम्बल क्रॉसिंग। ये बहुत फेमस है, वर्ल्ड फेमस है एक्चुअली, सब लोगों ने देखा ही होगा। बट आज हम लोग जाने वाले हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू कवर ऑल द स्नीकर स्टोर्स, स्ट्रीट वेयर स्टोर्स, फैशन, लाइफस्टाइल, एवरीथिंग दैट वी कम अक्रॉस देयर। मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ टोक्यो 23 के लिए। बेब का स्टोर है वहां पर, एटमॉस है, तो मैं सब चीजें कवर करने वाला हूँ। और आज के आउटफिट के लिए आई एम वेयरिंग दिस रिलैक्स्ड स्लीवलेस व्हाइट टी शर्ट दैट आई गॉट बैक इन इंडिया फ्रॉम H&M and this black trouser from Alpha Industries. Very relaxed. I really like it. Very comfortable. And my regular chunky Jordan 4 oxidized greens. I am waiting for a local from here to Shibuya. Let's go. Yo fam, so we are at Shibuya Scramble Crossing today. It's the world's famous scramble crossing with thousands of people you can see behind me are crossing at the same time. I'm already loving the vibe of this city. So much of fashion, so much of culture, so much of style in one city. Beer garden. Yo, let's go. Oh, what is this? Pokemon card shop. It's this way? Thank you, thank you. It's a Pokemon card shop. I'm going to go and explore this. This is my first experience at a Pokemon card shop, so I'm also excited. Like, are you legit checking this?
I was taking picture for Twitter.
For a trader. So how much is this for?
40,000 and
800 yen?
yeah.
Oh, nice. Can I see this?
Okay.
I bet it's yours now.
No, I might. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, triple R is rare.
Triple R.
Okay.
Double rare is special rare.
Special rare.
RR is art rare. It's like, yeah, this is an RR. SAR.
Oh, SR. Oh.
And the best card is SAR.
SAR is the best card.
See, if you want to confirm that 7% you have that,
Okay.
you have to take like hundreds and hundreds of packs.
Ooh.
Or
And then,
1,000 packs.
and then I might hit one that W card.
Yes.
Oh my god, this is amazing. It's very enlightening for me to learn it from him. He's my guru now for Pokemon. What's your name, bro?
Mark,
Mark, where are you from?
from Spain.
You're from Spain. So you
Yes.
come here like a tourist? Like
It's
just to
my
buy
second
Pokemon?
time in Japan.
Got to learn so much about Pokemon cards here.
But it's
Glad.
it's a
Thank you so
so
much.
much.
This was insane, guys. I had no clue that Pokemon card का पूरा स्टोर है यहाँ पर और क्या वैरायटी है. All those valuable cards were there. Probably मैं जब 18th 19th को पूरी शॉपिंग करने आऊंगा ना, तब यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ जरूर उठाने वाला हूँ. तब तक थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करूंगा. अगर आप लोगों को Pokemon कार्ड्स के बारे में कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है तो वीडियो देखते ही मुझे कमेंट में बताओ. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're a very sweet guy. Yay! Let's go. I like your cap and your sneakers. Yeah. Nice. Too good. What's your name, man? Aito. You're from Japan? A good style and a good build. Thank you. Cheers. Thanks. Bye. Right now, first I'm heading to Atmos store. It's right around the corner. So we're gonna just go and see कि क्या sneakers और क्या offers है वहाँ पर. और उसी के बगल में ABC Mart भी है, which is again a store which is full of deals. तो वो deals जरूर check करने वाला हूँ. यार मेरे excitement का ना अभी level नहीं है because it's just coming out. Okay, we are here at ABC Mart. We're gonna go and check in here कि क्या क्या मिलता है यहाँ पर. This Vans 6,500 and 7150 comes to Indian currency would be around 4,000 rupees. What a crazy deal! You don't get this in India, but this is amazing. Look at this 4,500. ये Indian currency में बता रहा हूँ मैं. Oh wow, what a pink one. ये वाला तो अपने पास भी है. भाई अपने यहाँ पर मिलता नहीं और यहाँ पर सेल पे है. Crazy. I am so happy today because I'm able to do something that I've always wanted to do. Ah, look at this. Look at this. What a piece. This is for how much? 5,990. Maybe some 3,500 rupees. Cool pair, right? Checkerboard print. Nice. Look at this. Sambas. Sambas are for 15,590, which is like 7,500, 8,000 rupees, close to 8,000 Indian rupees. So honestly, the same price. So that was ABC Mart. यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स एक ही जगह पे मिलते हैं. Deals were okayish. Honestly, कुछ मुझे ऐसा नहीं दिखा कि wow, but हाँ, कुछ sneakers, कुछ नहीं, बहुत सारे sneakers ऐसे हैं जो आपको इंडिया में नहीं मिलेंगे. So probably if you want to come here, do not miss out on visiting ABC Mart because you might get some sneakers that are exclusively for Tokyo and the prices are like decent. I would not say कि बहुत कम रहेगा, but काफी decent price मिल जाएगा. तो do check this out. मेरा experience यहाँ पे काफी amazing था. Can you see that, guys? Right there, Atmos. Oh, let's go and check that out. Right there, right there.
Look at this cow print. We've always talked about this. The price is 18,700, 9,000, 10,000 rupees in Indian currency. This color. Get this Adidas Evo SL. This is for 18,000 rupees before taxes. Comes around to 10,000 rupees in Indian currency. It's too good. What a pair. Wow. Check this out. Check this out. Can't get enough, man. Can't get enough.
And check this out. AE Anthony Edwards too. You don't get to see these sneakers in India. And this is sitting here. It's for what, 19,000 rupees? So, bro. Yes. 19,000. So let me convert the price from 19,000 to Indian currency. 11,200 rupees. Wow, what a deal. Thank you. I'm not so tall, so I'll jump up to. Thank you so much. I love your style though.
Thanks, sir.
I love your style. Wow. So you're wearing a pajama inside.
Yeah, you're right.
Crazy.
Yeah, Japan brand.
This is a Japanese brand. What brand is that?
Sage.
Sage.
Yeah.
Sage.
5S.
I love that. What are these sneakers? These are Jordan
This is
Pinks.
Jordan Net.
T-shirt, Atmos
Yeah.
T-shirt.
This is I just recommend.
Superb. Love it. And this beanie cap.
Yeah, it's the same.
Same Sage cap. Cheers. Love it.
Shell Cumulus 16,000 is the price, somewhere around 9,500. Wow, Salmon XT4 OG. Love this pair, 26,000, comes around to 15,000 Indian rupees. We look at that outsole.
And we see on here. Look what we got on.
What is the price? 21,000. Comes around to like,
Whoa, 21,000. That's like 12,500 Indian rupees. Wow. It's crazy.
guys, so many pairs from On, all the silhouettes, all the colorways sitting here. Just got to come to Atmos. The pair which is highly in demand, Puma Speed Cat. This is for what price? 14,000, comes to 7,500, 8,000 Indian rupees. Wow, what a pair. Check this. I love the style so much. I want you to style me up with these beanie cap upstairs. Would that be okay for you?
They don't have this store.
No, they have a beanie cap upstairs.
Oh, it will.
Yeah. Would you help me style up?
alright.
Yeah. Can I do that?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I got it.
Yeah, let's go. I'm so excited for this.
The next building, the food shop.
Oh, nice.
Chinese food.
Okay, Chinese food.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah.
And what cap should I go with? Like what beanie cap? Maybe. What color do you think? These. I think this.
Yeah. I think too.
Yeah. Maybe this will go with my sneakers color.
Here you go.
Right.
This one and then
Large. Let's go. So excited. Okay, I'm not changing anything on the bottom wear. The trouser.
Yeah.
Let's keep it like that.
so.
How do I put it? Just this?
I think. 取りますよっていう。いいでしょ? Yeah, I like this.
No?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah, I like this side. I like this side.
This is my final look, and I think this looks pretty cool, guys. What do you think? This is my buddy who's got me styling. It's good?
Yeah.
Here, let's go.
Guys, that was Atmos store. What a collection out here. I saw most of the Jordans, Dunks, Nikes तो ठीक है, but apart from that, On के सारे silhouettes along with the amazing colorways, they were out there. Sambas. So अगर आप लोग शिबुया आ रहे हो, जापान आ रहे हो तो शिबुया तो obviously आपकी लिस्ट पे रहेगा. Apart from that, don't miss out on coming to Atmos. Atmos is amazing. It's right here. It's right here on Shibuya Square. It's in front of this We Sing, it's a bar, I think. It's a family mart. In front of family mart, you'll find. That's what it is. Oh man, look at his style. Look at his fashion. Yo man, I like your style.
Oh yeah, bravo! Yeah, amazing
Yes.
people, amazing, amazing. Woo!
Yo, I got a gold. Cheers, thank you.
Yeah, bravo! Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Amazing, yeah.
Cheers, thank you guys. Put in the money. Okay, cheers. Okay. Oh man, this is brilliant. Guys, if you are coming to Shibuya, don't miss out on this fresh orange juice vending machine. I made a mistake. You need to select no ice before inserting the money. I made that mistake. You don't make it. You'll get it without ice. मेरा ice के साथ भी इतना amazing है. Without ice तो कितना मस्त होगा यार. 350 yen comes down to around 200 rupees, but worth the price. मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई ये experience है. Miss out मत करना.
Check this out. I just saw this store grow around on Shibuya Street. And what an amazing collection. Look at those new era caps. There are some cool accessories out here. Check this out. All these accessories, yeah. So the average price is between 2,500 to 4,500 rupees. But क्या सही है यार ये देखो ना सब एक से बढ़कर एक lockets along with the chains, accessories. I love this jacket, man. I love this jacket so much. Look at this. So cool. Nice print on that. Golden embroidery. Black colored jacket. It's a varsity. Would look so amazing. Look at this jersey. क्या price है इसका? 8,700. Comes down to 5,000 rupees, close to 5,000 rupees. But nice jersey of Hawks. Superb, crisp white color. Love it.
Check that go-karting. I just saw an Onitsuka Tiger store right here. This is at Shibuya Modi building. This is Onitsuka Tiger store and I hope that I get that pair that I've been looking for a couple of days now. I need to get a pair today. Anyhow, bro, the rush is always here.
Oh yes, I wanted this one. भाई यही तो चाहिए था. वो कितने का है ये? How much is this? Let's go and ask her. Let me ask her. Hello. I want 8 UK in this. 8. 8. You have? Okay. Ooh, I love this one also. Look at this color. Wow, check this one out. Check this one out. Superb, right? Looks so amazing. Yeah, clean, crisp. What colors and what silhouettes, yaar. Onitsuka Tiger, you won my heart. Man, check this out. Golden stripes, silver stripes.
Onitsuka Tiger का स्टोर था. काफी रश था यार और आधे से ज्यादा इंडियंस दिखते हैं वहाँ पर. बट होने भी चाहिए क्योंकि इतने सारे अच्छे स्नीकर के डिजाइन और कलरवेज. बट 8 और 9 यूके बहुत मुश्किल है मिलना. सब सोल्ड आउट हो जाता है. सो यू हैव टू बी लकी. तीसरा स्टोर था Onitsuka Tiger का अभी तक जो जहाँ पर मुझे मेरे पसंद वाला स्नीकर नहीं मिला है.
Guys, वो देखो. She is picking up, like she is literally picking up every rag on the street. और कितने dedication से वो अपना काम कर रही हैं. It is comparatively यार, it is so easier for her because यहाँ पर लोग ज़्यादा कचरा फेंकते नहीं हैं.
शिबुया का जो वाइब है ना वो बहुत इलेक्ट्रिक है, बहुत कलरफुल है. जो स्ट्रीट्स भी हैं वहाँ पर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ग्राफिटी आर्ट देखने को मिलेगा. लोकल आर्टिस्ट के पेंटिंग है, स्केचेस हैं और लोगों का जो फैशन है ना इट जस्ट स्पीक्स फॉर इटसेल्फ. ओरिजिनल फैशन है. इट्स नॉट कॉपीड फ्रॉम द वेस्ट या ईस्ट. इट्स देयर ओन स्टाइल इन एनीथिंग दैट दे डू. राइट फ्रॉम देयर मेकअप, the girls doing their flicks mostly and the sneakers that they wear, they've got their own calling. ये बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. अब जिस स्ट्रीट पे मैं चल रहा हूँ वहाँ पर लाइन से I just saw an LV store and then Gucci का store, then there is this Balenciaga store. Hello sir, yeah that's it. And then I can see a Prada store here and Prada के बगल में क्या है देखते हैं. और ये स्टोर्स मैं इसलिए कवर नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Say hello guys, cheese. और ये स्टोर्स मैं इसलिए कवर नहीं कर रहा हूँ because these are the stores that you would obviously see in India. But look at this. This is where we were supposed to come. Kith. What a place. What a place. Look at this. So beautifully made. Such a nice architecture. I can see all the sneakers up there. Oh man. Ooh. That's crazy. All the Air Force Ones. And I can't record the smell, but it feels so good. Whoa. Man, look at this. This is huge. This is huge.
Can you see that? The whole, it's a whole cubicle which is full of sneakers. And you see all the sneakers here. The wall looks absolutely clean. What brands? Oh, check this out. मैं थोड़ा सा शांत हो जाता हूँ because I just want you guys to enjoy this. I want to grab each and every piece and cover it in my video so that you guys can have a look. अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं यहाँ से, एक एरिया है बिटवीन शिबुया एंड हाराजुका के बीच में है, जहाँ पर टोक्यो 23 वर्ल्ड ऑफ फ्लाइट का स्टोर है, सबसे बड़ा टोक्यो जॉर्डन का स्टोर यहाँ पर. There you go, this is the place we always wanted to cover. This amazing Jordan World of Flight. What a big store inside, guys. कितना बड़ा है भाई ये. Let's just walk into this. Woo! Jordan World of Flight. The vibe here is so cool. Oh, check this out, guys. Ooh, dude. Look at this. Wow. Amazing. Check this out. Jordan 4 SB Navies. What's the price here? 34,650. It's around 19,000 here. The retail price. This pair, we've talked about this. Nice, superb. Look at this. Too good. Leather quality, too good. Jordan 3 Mexico is here. Shattered backboard. This is all customization?
Yes.
Wow. This is such a thrilling experience. Check this out. I just recorded a video. You have to scan a code and records gives you a background. Amazing. I loved it, yeah. If you guys are in Shibuya or Japan, don't miss out this World of Flight store. It's right between Kith and around Kith, between Harajuku and Shibuya. Ooh, nice. Good moves. So guys, that was World of Flight Jordan store in between Shibuya and Harajuku. और अब हम लोग दोपहर से घूम रहे हैं तो थोड़ी सी भूख लगी है यार. इंटरेस्टिंगली क्या हुआ, कुछ दिनों पहले ना मेरा एक जापानीज फ्रेंड बना था, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ वो वॉक कर रहा था और ऐसी बात हुई और दोस्त बन गए. नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड हिम कि यार हम लोग इंडियन फूड खाने जाते हैं. ही इज ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड. एक्चुअली जापानीज को इंडियन फूड बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं. एक स्टोर है यहाँ पर, सॉरी एक रेस्टोरेंट है यहाँ पर, वहाँ जा रहे हैं. तो आई होप कि उसको भी ये इंडियन फूड पसंद आए और हमें भी बहुत भूख लगी है यार. तो I'm going to meet him and I'm going to make you also meet him. देखते हैं कैसा लगता है एक्सपीरियंस पूरा. So these are my friends. Say hello. Yo. Yeah. And I'm this with this. Happy? Yeah, happy. Let's go. These two have got us a gift and this is so amazing. Love it. So it's so cute, man. Thank you so much. We are also excited. We ordered something. Oh, what is it? Samosa. आज भाई समोसा खिलाते हैं इन दोनों को. So here you go. Here you go. Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go. Now start.
Thank you. What is this?
Samosa.
Samosa.
Samosa. Samosa. Yes.
いただきます。
Okay, yes, crispy there. Be careful, it must be hot. This is good? Very good? That's good. भाई समोसा सबको पसंद आता है भाई. समोसा is fire.
Yeah.
Are you guys enjoying?
Enjoy.
Hello. Bhai, it's so much fun to be walking with these people. They both are so cute and honest and just unfiltered about it. I love it. I'm enjoying their company. Actually, मैं जा रहा हूँ हाराजुकू अब, बिकॉज हाराजुकू में मुझे पता है कि 2-3 स्टोर्स हैं जो मैंने कवर नहीं किए थे लास्ट टाइम. मुझे लगा बिफोर आई गो आउट ऑफ टोक्यो, वैसे 2-3 दिन मेरे पास लास्ट में भी रहेंगे, तो मैंने सोचा कि यार पहले ये सब कवर कर लेता हूँ. ऐसा ना हो कि लास्ट में ना बहुत ज़्यादा मैसी हो जाए, सब बिजी हो जाए, फिर वो रह जाएगा, इसलिए वी आर गोइंग देयर। भाई ये देखो पॉप मार्ट का स्टोर है एंड देयर इज़ अ होल क्यू हेयर, फुल क्यू फ्रॉम देयर, सो ऑल पीपल आर वेटिंग हेयर एंड दिस इज स्टार्ट लाइन इज हियर। Man, this is insane. Okay, look, there's one more Atmos store out there. Check that out. अब यार यहाँ पर है ना इतने स्टोर है ना, इतने कि अब हर स्टोर को कवर करना it's not possible. That's one Atmos store. There's a Van store which I might come again. That's there. I might have to come back again. My friends are already here. Oh, there's a Dior store. This is Zenith. I am so much enjoying it. This is fun. I can do this all night. Oh, look at this outfit. Crazy. Crazy, look at this outfit. भाई चुपके शॉट लेना पड़ता है, can't take it ऐसे. As I'm walking down the Harajuku street in Tokyo and I just came across an interesting brand. This is FR2 and there are rabbits kept in the store. I don't know, I mean this is like a clothing brand based in Tokyo. I am actually interested in styling myself. Let me ask him. So, I really like this brand. Would you be able to style me up? Like I want to wear these clothing. Yeah? Can we do that? Yeah. Let's go. Can we? Yes. Yo man, let's go. Guys, I'm so excited. He said yes. Okay, so this is my style as of now. It's quite simple. I want to step it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what do you think?
Okay, we have a cool
All right.
jacket. Oh. This one and
Okay.
one. Damn.
I love these. Oh!
Just came out.
Yo, what is this? Like, what
You know?
exactly is?
Yo, my brand name is FR2.
Okay.
I mean, two freaking rabbits.
Oh, now I get it.
Shit.
Now I get it.
You
Look
know
at
what?
this position. I love the pose. I love that pose. I'm pretty excited, guys. Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Oh,
Amazing.
this goes so cool with this. It just merged with my current outfit right now.
Yeah.
Well, let me do something with the trouser. Try the same trouser.
Yeah, of course.
Do you mind that? I think large. What is this size?
This is a medium.
What are you wearing?
Large.
Large should be good.
Large.
You have a large?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I can do it here.
Okay.
You ready now? Whoa! I like this fit.
Wow, amazing.
Come here, we're
Yeah. Hey, bro.
Look at this.
Hey.
We're training. What is this? Looks pretty interesting. The used lounge. Let me check this out. This is the used lounge. Oh, what a bike, man. Harley Davidson right at the entrance. Hey, yo, what's up? Hi.
What's
Hi.
Hi.
So I want to know what's the store like. I mean, is everything is used or like how do you guys keep
parts
it?
that we currently carry is second-hand, except for this right here.
Okay.
So anything that's new will be labeled brand new.
Okay. All these are like nicely done up, right?
Yes.
Superb, amazing. Thank you so much. What's that? I'm more intrigued about this one. Ooh,
Done by
crazy.
by Thought with Friends.
$30,000 US.
$30,000.
And it's one piece, right?
One piece. Yeah. So everything here, all in one.
What are those shades that you're wearing?
These are Chrome Hearts,
Yeah, chrome hearts.
and they're called.
Looks amazing. Can I try that?
Yeah.
If you don't mind. What do you guys think? Is it cool? Do you like this?
Yeah, looks great.
Alright, let's go. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you. I'm just going to keep it simple and interactive. What's this brand? Looks
This is a brand called Thought with Friends that we currently carry. They're Hong Kong based. We had a pop-up with them about a month and a half ago, and these a lot of kind
Whoa.
of really interesting details.
too cool.
Oversized.
Love it.
Yeah, and we were the only place in Japan that held them for quite a
Yeah,
minute.
I can see this. If this is one of pieces and it's kept here, it's quite special.
Yeah.
It's quite special. What are these trunks, man?
These trunks we actually have hold a bunch of video equipment, so tripods, things like that.
Oh, nice.
And they started in 1980 by a guy named Gabor Nagi. They're one of the main inspirations for Chrome Hearts.
So now we're going to Shibuya Scramble Crossing. वो जो आप लोगों ने वीडियोस में देखा होगा कि यार सबसे पॉपुलर स्ट्रीट क्रॉसिंग है. सिग्नल्स खुलते हैं और हज़ारों लोग एक साथ ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं एक एंड से दूसरे एंड पे. बहुत मज़ा आता है, वो चेकआउट करेंगे. पहले ये देखो. Guys, we are at Shibuya Scramble Crossing and what we are going to attempt is my signature jump right here in the center as soon as the signal opens. And this dude is going to click the picture. Let's see if we can pull this off. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Last one. Okay. We got it. We got this one. Check this out, guys. Check this out. No. Only coffee. So after a long day, guys, finally we are having this good coffee at a place suggested by these two, and we loved it truly. You guys stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm moving to Osaka tomorrow, so I'm going to be traveling in Shinkansen, which is a bullet train. Very excited for it. And I'm going to reach Osaka and cover more stores, but I'm surely going to come back to Ginza and Harajuku and Shibuya to cover some more stores that I missed out today. You stay tuned. I'll not let you down. We're bringing the best content around sneakers, fashion and lifestyle in Japan. Stay tuned. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks. Let's go.